to this tutorial course on dropshipping. I'm going to show you guys how to buy, and mind you, I've stated it before, there are fake buyer and fake sellers on this AliExpress market, and they are resellers, sorry. Don't be a victim. For you not to be a victim, that's why I asked you guys to follow up these courses. So I'm going to show you how to identify both fake and real products. I'm going to show you how to identify potential product they are going to sell. Now, there are a lot of bonanzas and promo going on the platform. This one is one of them. This is the first order deal, which means this is your first thing you buy, the first thing you buy when you're creating your account. The last video we created an account, and you can see because of this our first deal offer, we are getting this smart wristwatch at the rate of 3,900, let's just say equivalently 4,000 naira, with free shipping, estimatedly to deliver on February 25. Now if you look at my date, I'm currently in January 26. That just should be some days from now, and these are review from customers who bought this wristwatch, and you can see they are enjoying it very well. Look at this one comment below, say I'm very happy with this smart wristwatch, I love it. So look at the casing it came with, look at everything, it's kind of sweet. In fact, I love it seeing it now. I have my own smart wristwatch I bought from this place, almost similar like this, but the software is different. I think I'm using Smart 7, this is Smart 8. So something you can sell. Those are reviews. Now when you come to a product like this, first of all you need to look at the product very well so that you'll know if they are real or fake. Now, how do you identify a fake customer, a fake seller, and a real seller? It's just simple thing you need to do. Now, let's assume you are here now. This is the product you want to buy. First thing you need to do is I'm trying to look for positive. Okay, I can't find it here. Okay. Let me just go back. Let me go directly to a product. Let me search for a product myself. I'm going to say smart wristwatch. I'm going to say smart wristwatch. Now these are different types. At 11,000 naira, this is the same wristwatch you saw just now. They're selling at a rate of 4,000 naira, 4,030 naira. Now, this is exactly the same product. Let me look for something else. Okay, let me see this one. Very good. So this is a product, and if you can see, this seller is a scammer. I'm going to prove to you that it's a scammer. Now look at the wristwatch. If you can see, this wristwatch is a little bit different from the other wristwatch. This one is a little bit more advanced than the other wristwatch. Now if you come down very well, you can see there's after the services we have shops. So remember, they don't have a name. Why? Some of them they do have a name. And they're having followers because of why they have a good product. The product looks enticing, but their positive feedback is very, very poor. Look at it, 0.something%, which means nobody has ever bought from them that gave review. The review is the positive feedback. If there's no positive feedback, don't buy from them. That is just my advice for you. Don't buy. You can see positive feedback is 0.0%. Followers is about 197 followers. This is a fake seller. Don't you buy from them. Don't buy from them. Now let me go for something else like this. Let me see this guy. Let me show you if this guy is a real seller. This one too is a scammer. Let me go up. Let me go with this guy. Okay, very good, very good. So you can see this store now. This store has 80.3% positive feedback with 138 followers, and you can see the reviews. Now when you come to places like this is a video. This is a video you can play. Look at the video. I think this is a very restructured bot. Yes, this is a very restructured bot. I bought this at the rate of 3,000 naira, and it's working fine for me very well. Yeah, this is a very structured bot. It's very good. In fact, I love it. So let me just pause the video. Then you can slide. You can see pictures. You can see pictures and what it does. Now let's assume you want to sell this product to your customers. What you do is when you tap on this again, it gives you a more view. At the top corner you can see the save and the snap. You can just click on save. Automatically it's saved into my phone. I'll just do this again to all the pictures they have on this product, so that I can advertise this product online. First of all, I'm going to show you how to advertise on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how to sell on Facebook. In fact, Facebook is the best place to sell as a Nigerian. Then I'm going to show you how to survey for a product. Now you can see when you click on, let me show you. I clicked on this color. There's an angle bracket, means there's a drop down there. When I click on it, you can see these are the different size, different type they have, and by default they're all the same price. So that is a very good thing. Some products, the what's it called, the colors changes prices. So they have original, comes with original boxing. Currently I'm buying one quantity. They have about large amount of it, and they've sold 5, which is 2 pieces. So you can buy this product in bulk. Now if you want to buy more than one, all you need to do is to click on this plus button here. You can see the quantity has increased to 2, and our price will also go up to. So if you want to buy 4, 6 and so on and forth, I'm going to click on 1, and currently you are going to ship down to Nigeria from Singapore, and to arrive at March 3rd for free shipping. But you can click on this and change the shipping. If you want it to arrive, sometimes the shipping the options are not much. You can see they are all March. So even though you did not pay, it's arriving within March. I think the free shipping and the one you are not paying for is almost similarly the same. One is arriving March 18th, but when you pay on transport, so just leave it as that. Don't pay for shipping for this product. I'm not going to pay for shipping for this product, and I'm not going to buy this product. I'm going to show you how to buy. So what I did was to click on buy. If you don't want to buy it, you want to save it to your cart, you want to buy other things, you can click on add to cart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on buy. When I come to click on buy, it will ask you for this address is there. It will ask you for payment method. Remember, we have not had our card. We're going to add our card to it. So we need to do to select payment method. It asks you to add card. You come here. All you need to do is to add your card name. Add your card name here. Your card number, which is the numbers in front of your card. I think there are 16 number or thereabout. Then you add the month and the year. Is always at the front of it. I'm going to show you that. If you don't know how to do that, I'm going to drop a screenshot of how a card looks like, and the details are going to put. Then the CVV number is at the back of your card. They are normally 3 digits number. When you put that, then you click on confirm. Then your details will be saved. When it's saved, then you can proceed to buy. All you need to do is to click on confirm. Then you can come there, and if you see down below, we are buying this product at the rate of $8.85, which is 4,069 naira 46 kobo. Now the shipping is free. The product is at that price. When you're buying one, you can decide to increase it, and you can see the price has gone to 7,000 naira. If I want to buy 3, I'm going to it at 11,600. So I'm just buying one. Let me just show you an example for one. Then you place an order. You ask me for my card, but I'm going to show you how to place an order on my other account. So once your order is confirmed, you will receive some messages. So let me show you how to buy very cheap. Now this same wristwatch, what I will do, I will just say free shipping to Nigeria. Whichever product you're buying, put free shipping. If you know you're not looking to get it very fast, if you don't want to get it like faster, you want it to come with time, then you go for the free shipping, because free shipping sometimes delays and free shipping sometimes comes on time. It depends. Now you can see this same product. We have the one of 11,000 naira and the one of 4,000 naira. So this is how you go down. Keep on looking. I think this wristwatch 1,006 is the same as the Oraimo wristwatch that people buy here in 25,000 naira. So you can see you can sell this as well. It depends. You can buy different versions of it and sell different type. The one with camera, different kind of smart wristwatch. Look at this one, 2,000 plus. Let's see. It's having camera at the side, but I don't fancy this. What some people do, so you can just get different spec. Now the picture we downloaded, let me show you. I'm going to head on to my WhatsApp, then I'll come down to status and I'll click on I want to upload status. So you can see those pictures, they are already on my phone. All I need to do is to select those pictures and put price. Let me just say, I would say 7k DM if you are interested. That's all. Then I will allow the product to be uploaded. You can see it's currently uploading. That is how you get the picture. Then if you have places you sell, there are some places you sell. There are some stores, like online stores, like group where they sell stuff, like all these school groups. Let me show you one. Actually, in one school group where they sell stuffs, I can come down there and upload it as well. So you can see buying and selling, one buying and selling group. So I'll just come down here, look for the products. You can see a lot of persons are selling their stuffs there. Look for the products. I can get somebody to buy this at the rate of 7,000 naira, and I bought this thing at the rate of 4,000 naira. That means I'm making 3,000 naira from this. Imagine you're selling up to 5 units. That is 3,000 times 5. Do the math yourself. So I'll just write 7k. Sometimes I make video because I have this product with me. I'm going to make a video maybe sometimes and make these videos about it. If I have the product in hand, I'll show them how it works, then put them. Sometimes people don't believe these pictures. They want to see you hold it. So I'll say 7k DM if you are interested. That's all. No stress. Now if my customers shows interest, all I'm going to do is I'll tell them this thing is not available now, but you can get them so date. As soon as customers start showing interest, if I have money on me, I'm going to buy that product with the estimated date. I know I'm going to get it. I'll tell them you can get it so time. If they can wait, fine. They can't wait, no problem. I'll still buy it. Because why? The product is going to sell, because people love it. The price is advisable to them to buy. So that's it. So, and now one thing I said is, don't buy. I will advise you not to buy expensive stuffs, because one, there's a dollar limitation in Nigeria. You can't buy more than $10, but I'm going to show you how to bypass that. How to buy above $10, $20, $30, any amount you want. I'm going to show you. There are two ways I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you the easy way. I'm going to show you the hard way. So can you believe this AirPod? You can get the rate of 3,700. You can set this AirPod at the rate of 6,000 naira. One, it comes with a power bank. It has wireless board charging, so on and so forth. Story. You can get it at the rate of 1,000 naira. Delivered to your doorstep. You can see it's Lenovo. So if you know how to market, you market this product. Can you imagine having this in your hand and you're selling it at the rate of 9,000 naira? People will buy it. It looks beautiful. It's a very good product. Now, whenever you see a product like this that you like, all you need to do is, you can see this love button on this part of the screen. All you need to do is to click on it. When you click on it, you'll be saved to your watch list. Watch list means something you wish to buy later, but you don't have money to buy now. So later you can come to search for the product. Let me show you. When you go to your cart, when you go to your profile, you can see watch list at the top after my name. I'll click on it. So this is my watch list. Look at it. Then you can, these are stores you are following. I'm not following any store currently. Then these ones are product reviewed. Look at the date. You can search by date. Just today, look at what we have looked at. Then the next one is coupon. You can apply for coupon for products you want to buy. I'll show you how to apply for coupon when you want to buy a product. Then these are unpaid. Currently we do not have any product on our cart, so they are not there. Then we have to be shipped. This is after you have made payment. You will see to be shipped here. They will be under processing. Now under to be shipped, there are many options. You have all, unpaid. Unpaid is one product you have not paid for. To be shipped is product processing service, is product you just paid for. It has not been processed. When it's processed, to be shipped. Then after that, when it is being shipped, you see it when it's